Millions of Americans are scrambling to find another choice to TikTok. And guess what? They're looking at Chinese social apps like Xiaohongshu, which you may know as Red Note. And that sudden shift, it's been sending shockwaves through the stock market. But is this just a trend? Or is this the start of something much bigger? I will break it down for you. You see, in the last 48 hours or so, about 2 million users flocked to Red Note after the Supreme Court said it might uphold a potential TikTok ban, which it did. As a result, Chinese consumer stocks like Hangzhou One Chance Tech and Yanitao China Pet Foods all went up dramatically. And while the markets cooled off after Trump made the announcement of a 75 delay on enforcement, the momentum is undeniable. This surge highlights how Chinese products are increasingly viewed as competitive by American consumers. And this could mean long-haul growth for the relevant stocks. But what's driving this momentum? Well, let's talk about Xiaohongshu, or should I say Red Note. It's often described as China's answer to Instagram, and it just hit #1 on a recent chart for app downloads in the United States, which is huge. But here's my point. Brands are already taking notice. Digital marketing firms like Hangzhou One Chance Tech skyrocketed over 70% in just a few days. All because more investors are believing Chinese companies will get after these American users with localized content and e-commerce. And it's not just social media. NASDAQ-listed Duolingo saw a 216% surge in users studying Mandarin. Think about it. People are not just consuming Chinese content, they're investing in understanding it. Tourism stocks also soaring as surges for flights to China hit a new high. Here's what beginner traders like you need to know. #1, social media disruption. Stock opportunity when a major platform like TikTok is facing a challenge. Other companies surge. Look for the low-key winners in the social media space. #2, e-commerce expansion. Red Note isn't just a social platform. It's a massive marketplace. Stocks tied to cross-border e-commerce could be the next big winner. And #3, the waiting game. TikTok in America remains uncertain for the next 75 days. And we've seen every new announcement from Washington moves markets. So get ready. And at the end of the market day, Xiaohongshu's rise might just be the start of a way bigger trend, one that a beginner or intermediate trader should not ignore. So are you tracking what's going on in China yet? Let me know in the comments which ones you're looking at.